Hi, my name's Kat. I run the Superstitious Jackalope. I usually do all of my silversmithing at a Herald studio, but since the pandemic, I've had to do all of it at home, so I wanted to show you my at-home studio. So here is my workstation. And then I've got a lot of the tools I need on magnetic strips here. Awesome storage thing. And then more magnetic strips. These guys are really helpful for holding cabochons in. I've got some castings from Herald Studio there. They're awesome. Check them out. This is my kit that I usually bring to the studio with me. If I open it up, there's a bunch of compartments and everything in there. But yeah, here's my actual station. This comes on and off, but I leave it on most of the time. This opens up. It's actually my grandmother's old sewing desk. So this opens up. There's some storage there. I've got some electroforming stuff there. My pedal for my flex shaft up here. And then I also have this little guy here with a magnetic strip for tools and a drawer for some hammers and tools and stuff. So anyway, I miss everybody at the studio, and hopefully this will be over and we can all see each other again soon. So everybody stay safe, wash your hands, have a great day.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're excited to bring you more DIY metalsmithing videos in the future.